Students, today I am going to give you a revision in science for unit test 6. Choose the correct answer. First one, the function of the leaf is to produce food. The function of the leaf is to produce food. Second one, an example for taproot is mango. An example for taproot is mango. Dash supports a plant. Root supports a plant. Root supports a plant. Then fourth one, most plants grow from the seed. Most plants grow from the seed. Then fifth one, roots are poorly developed in Agaya Thamarai. Roots are poorly developed in Agaya Thamarai. Then sixth one, if part X will be absent in a plant, new plants will not produce. X is dash flower. X is flower. Then seventh one, the plant is adapted to grow in desert as it has dash fleshy stem and leaves change to spine. Fleshy stem and leaves change to spine. Then eighth one, an example of many seeded fruit is pomegranate. An example for many seeded fruit is pomegranate. Then next Roman letter, find the odd one. Find the odd one. Carrot, radish, tomato, beetroot. Carrot, radish, tomato, beetroot. Tomato is the odd one because it grows on the top of the soil. Carrot, radish and all, it goes below the soil. Then second one, cabbage, greens, turmeric, spinach. Cabbage, greens, turmeric, spinach. Turmeric. Cabbage, greens, spinach are all, they are all greens. They are all leafy plants. Turmeric is a underground plant. Okay. Then so turmeric is the odd one. Third one, neem, aloe vera, date palm, opuntia. Neem, aloe vera, date palm, opuntia. Neem is the odd one. Aloe vera and all, aloe vera, date palm, opuntia, they all grow in the desert. Okay, they can live for a long time without water. Then fourth one, coconut, mango, apricot, orange. Coconut, mango, apricot, orange. Orange is the odd one because it has many seeds in that. Then fifth one, hydrilla, opuntia, water hyacinth, vallisneria. Hydrilla, opuntia, water hyacinth and vallisneria. Opuntia is the odd one. Hydrilla, they are all aquatic plants. Then next one, write true or false. Write true or false. First one, the roots grow into the soil. The roots grow into the soil. True. Second one, fibrous roots has a main root. Fibrous root has a main root. False. Fibrous root has a main root. False. Then third one, root absorbs water from soil. Root absorbs water from soil. True. Root absorbs water from soil. True. Then fourth one, potato stores food in its root. Potato stores food in its root. False. Fifth one, grass has fibrous roots. True. Grass has fibrous roots. True. Then next one, fill in the blanks. First one, stem grows towards the sunlight. Dash grows towards the sunlight. Stem grows towards the sunlight. STEM. STEM. Grows towards the sunlight. Stem grows towards the sunlight. Second one, leaves originate from the surface of the stem. Leaves originate from the surface of the stem. Surface. 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 OF of THE, the stem. 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 Then third one, green part of the plant that makes food is called leaf. Green part of the plant that makes food is called leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Then fourth one, stem gives support to the whole plant. Stem gives support to the whole plant, S-T-E-M, S-T-E-M. Then fifth one, water from soil is absorbed by the root of the plant. Water from the soil is absorbed by the root of the plant, or OOT, root. Then next one, write short answers. Name the parts of the plant. What are the parts of the plant? Fruit, root, stem, flower, leaf. Fruit, root, stem, flower, leaf. Name the types of roots. There are two types of roots. They are taproot and fibrous root. Name the types of roots. Taproot and fibrous root. T-A-P, tap, fibrous, F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous root. Then third one, write any two functions of the leaves. Write any two functions of the leaves. First one, A. Leaf prepares food for the plant. Leaf prepares food for the plant. Then second one, stomata are found at the base of the leaf. It helps the plants to breathe. Stomata are found at the base of the leaf. It helps the plants to breathe. Then fourth one, write the parts of a flower. What are the parts of the flower? Pistil, stamen, sepal, petal. Pistil, stamen, sepal, petal. P-I-S-T-I-L, pistil. P-I-S-T-I-L, pistil. Stamen, S-T-A-M-E-N, stamen. Sepal, S-E-P-A-L, sepal. Petal, P-E-T-A-L, petal. Then fifth one, name the types of plants based on their habitat. Name the types of plants based on their habitat. Land plants and aquatic plants. Land plants, L-A-N-D, land, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Aquatic, A-Q-U-A-T-I-C, aquatic, A-Q-U-A-T-I-C, aquatic plants. Then sixth one, write any two adaptations of desert plants. Leaves are changed to spines to reduce the loss of water. Leaves are changed to spines to reduce the loss of water. Then second, B, the stem is green and fleshy. The stem is green and fleshy. They store water and produce food. They store water and produce food. Then write the names of some water plants. Water lily and lotus. Water lily and lotus. Give two examples of fruit having one seed. Only one seed, mango, peach. Fruit having only one seed, mango, peach. Fruit having many seeds, papaya, watermelon. Papaya, watermelon. Name two free floating plants, water hyacinth and pistia. Water hyacinth and pistia. These are the two free floating plants. Answer the following questions. Write any two functions of each. Stem, it supports a whole plant. Stem supports a whole plant. It transports the food from the leaf and water from the root. It transports food from leaf and water from the root. It transports food from leaf and water from root. Then root. It fixes the plant in the soil. It fixes the plant in soil. Then second, it absorbs water from the soil. It absorbs water from the soil. Flower. It develops into fruit. It develops into fruit. Then it helps plant to reproduce. It helps plants to reproduce. Then why leaf is called as a food factory of the plant? Leaf prepares food for the plant with the help of water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Hence it is called as a food factory of the plant. The leaf prepares food for the plant with the help of water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Hence it is called as a food factory of the plant. Answer in detail. Differentiate between taproot and fibrous root. Taproot, fibrous root. First we read about taproot. First, taproot. Thick main root that goes deep into the soil. Thick main root that goes deep into the soil. Second point, side roots are developed from the main root. Side roots are developed from the main root. Then Looks like a long tap. Looks like a long tap. Example, tamarind, goya and guava. Tamarind and guava. Then fibrous root. No main root and the roots do not go deep into the soil. No main root and the roots do not go deep into the soil. Then roots are developed. Second point, roots are developed from the base of the stem. Roots are developed from the base of the stem. Then third point, looks like a bunch. Looks like a bunch. Example, corn, sugarcane. Then draw and write the parts of the plant. You must not color it. These are the parts of the plant: flower, leaf, fruit, stem, root. Then you have to draw it neatly, write the spellings correctly. Okay. Go through the revision again and again and score good marks. Thank you, children.